morning, dear students. Now, today we will discuss about exercise 16.3. So, before solving exercise 16.3, we will discuss about area of rectangular pathways. Suppose that whenever you go in the garden, then there will be some way like this here, rectangular garden. Then you see there will be one way like this. Okay. Then in this exercise, the question will be arises like this: what is the area of this figure? And also, if there is another rectangular shape, that if there is a way where you move in the garden, then what is the area of this shaded region? Then you know what is the area of rectangle or what is the area of square. With the help of these two formula, we will find out what is the area of path. You can see simply. So you will find different types of figure in this exercise, and we will find out what is the area of standard region, what is the area of pathways, with the help of area of rectangle and the area of square formula. Now, if you want to find a suppose that here P, Q, R, S, and this one is a W, X, Y, Z. If you want to find out what is the area of this figure, standard, then what we have to do? First of all, find out what is the area of triangle PQRS. Means area per, okay, that is equal to area PQRS minus area W X Y Z. First of all, you will find out what is the area of this rectangle, and then area of this separated. Then you will find out area of this shaded region. So we will solve some question like this. Now see, rapid check third. Rapid check third. You see, the question is a rectangular garden that is 90 meter long and 75 meter broad, has a path 5 meter wide, built outside around it. Find the area of the path. Now you can see the figure in diagram. It is given here. Okay, we have to find out what is the area. This region, and their name is also given, that is E, F, G, H. Inside A, B, C, D. Inner, this length is given 90 meter, and this one is given 75 meter, and the width of the road, that is 5 meter, and this length is all sides it is equal, that is 5 meter. So what we have to do? First of all, we have to find out what is the area of this rectangle, then find out this subtract, then we will find the area of path. So in this question, first of all, ask length of EF. EF length. EF means this one. Now this is 90, this is 5 and this is also 5. 90, 5, 5. That should be 90 plus 5, 95 and 5, 100. What is the length of this? 100 meter. Then length of FG. What is FG? This one. You know this is 75, this is 5 and this is also 5. 75, 5, 80 on this one, 85. So what is the answer? That is 85 meter. And also find area of EFGH. EFGH. You know the diagram figure EFGH is a rectangle and the area of rectangle is length into breadth. So what is the length? EF multiplied by FG. What is the area? 100. That is 85. So answer is 8500 meter square. Next, length of AB. Second question is length of AB. Now see, AB that is given. This one is a AB. So AB is simply you can write down 90 meter. Next, what is the length of BC? BC is given in the question. That is BC and that is 75 meter. Again, also we have to find out what is the area of figure ABCD. Again, that is also rectangle. So area of figure ABCD. Area of ABCD. Again, you will see ABCD also is a rectangle. Again, area of rectangle is length into breadth. So what is the length? That is AB. And breadth you can take as a BC. You can take BC or AD, both are same. AB is given, that is 90 meter and BC is 75 meter. Now multiply is 0. 6750 meter square. Now see, first we will find out what is the area of EFGH, that is 8500 meter square, and the area of rectangle ABCD, that is 6750 meter square. Now third question asks what is the area of this path, okay, which are the shaded portion. Then simply what will we do? First of all, separate area of this from, now see, area of path. Area, just simply like this, area of A, E, F, G, H minus A, B, C, D. What is the area of EFGH? That is 8500 minus 6750. Okay. Now separate. When you separate this, you will get 1750 meter square. Okay. Here, fill up one more thing. See, area of path is equal to, or right here, area of EFGH minus area of ABCD. EFGH minus ABCD. Then what will you get? That is the area given per. Okay. Now write down. That is a rapid check third question. You have to write down in your copies also. Now see next. Next, we will solve exercise 16.3. Okay? Let's see question number 1. First, question says, if three smaller squares, each of area 2.5 centimeter square, are cut out from a rectangular cardboard of area this, find the area of the remaining piece of cardboard. Simply see the diagram. This is the rectangular garden, that is A, B, C, D, rectangular piece, and the area is given. Area A, B, C, D, that is 40 centimeters square, and we have to cut out three smaller squares. Suppose that we have taken three smaller square whose area 2.5. If we cut three pieces from this rectangular pieces, then there will be some area left. Okay, then we have to find out what is the left area. So, and also it is given the area of one square, area 1 square is 2.5. Therefore, area 3 square, 3 multiplied by 2.5, multiply this 7.5 centimeter square. Then we have to find what is the remaining area. Therefore, remaining area is area of rectangle, that is 40 centimeter square minus 7.5 centimeter square. Okay. So when you subtract this, you will get 32.50 centimeter square. That is the area which are left in the rectangular piece. Okay. Area of rectangle is given now. We have to cut three squares from that rectangular pieces. 1, 2, 3. This area is given 2.5. This area is given 2.5, and this is also 2.5 centimeter square. Okay. Then we have to find out the left area which are left on the rectangular piece. Then what we have to do? Find out area of rectangle is given. Add these three areas, then subtract, and we will find out the remaining portion area. Write down. See next. Again, question number 1, second part. If a square of side 1.5 centimeter is cut out from the square plastic sheet of side 3, we will find the area of the remaining. Same question, but something is different. See, one square is given whose length, their name is A, B, C, D, and sides are given 3 meter, 3 meter, 3 meter, 3 meter. If this is square now, therefore all sides will be equal. We have to cut a square of side in which we have cut one square. We have to find out the square which all sides are given, that is P, Q, R, S. We have to find out what is the area remaining portion. Then what we have to do? First of all, we find out what is the area of square A, B, C, D. Then area of square P, Q, R, S. Then separate. Then you will get the answer. Square, that is side square meter square, then area square P Q R S. Now write the name also, P Q R S. Again side square and side is 1.5, 2.5 meter, 2.5 meter square. Area of remaining portion the area of this minus area of this. So when you subtract, then you will get 6.75 meter square. Okay. Again, once again listen. Area of ABCD, first we will find out, that is 9 meter square. Area of P, Q, R, S, their side is 1.5, 1.5, 1.5, 1.5. Find out the area, then subtract this, you will get the area of the left portion or area of the remaining portion. So now next, first, third question. So third one is, see, a pathway covering 50 meters is made inside a garden in dimension this. Okay? Now what is the area of the lawn that can be made inside the garden? See, one garden is given in which sides for moving, and the garden length is 13 meters and 12 meters. A, B, C, D, P, Q, R, S. Okay? Area of garden given, and then pathways whose area is also given. Area pathway. Pathway that is 84 meter square. Okay? Now we have to find out this area. Okay? Then what we have to do? See, pathways area is given, that is 84 meters square, and their area of rectangle ABCD is given. Then first of all, find out the area of rectangle ABCD. Then subtract the patchwork area, then you will find what is the area of lawn. Area of ABCD, length AB and breadth BC. AB is 13, that is 12. So multiply meter square, therefore area of lawn so 156 minus 84 meter. Subtract this, 6 minus 4 2, 72 meter square. So what is the area? That is 72 meter square. Okay. First, we have to find out area of rectangle A, B, C, D. Area of patch is given at 4 meter square. Then finding the area of rectangle ABCD, subtract the area of patch. Then you will find that is the area of given lawn. So that is your answer. Now solve.